Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Online Earning with AK. I discovered 5 new AI applications that are available for anyone to use. These apps utilize AI technology to accomplish various tasks and provide opportunities to earn money online using just a smartphone from anywhere in the world. The best part is that these apps are completely free and accessible to everyone. In fact, some of these apps have personally helped me generate hundreds of thousands of dollars. So, stay tuned as I reveal the first AI app. The first app I want to introduce is called Wonder AI. With Wonder AI, you can transform photos or text into artistic creations. For instance, you can input a phrase like George Washington eating a hamburger, and the app will generate a unique image based on that prompt. You can leverage this feature to create designs and sell them as stickers on platforms like Redbubble. Redbubble is a website where you can upload your designs and earn money whenever someone purchases products featuring your designs, such as stickers, t-shirts, mugs, or pillows. The great thing is that you don't need to own any inventory. You only need to create the designs using Wonder AI. The next AI app that enables you to make money online from your phone is Click and Short. By visiting clickandshort.com, you can utilize this AI tool to generate short-form content that has the potential to go viral. Simply find a longer video on platforms like YouTube, create an account on Click and Short, and paste the link to that video. The app will generate multiple variations of YouTube Shorts for you. You can then promote CPA, cost per action, offers using these shorts. For example, you can explore the Mob app, which provides various CPA offers. When someone enters their email address for a chance to win a $750 Cash App giveaway, you earn $5 per collected email. You can also explore voice acting apps to generate human-like voiceovers for various applications. VoiceOver AI text-to-speech is an example of such an app. By simply pasting your script or text into the app on your phone, you can create unique voiceovers that sound like real human voices. You can then offer voice acting services on platforms such as Voices.com, Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or People Per Hour. People are willing to pay hundreds of dollars per month for high-quality voice acting services. With these voice acting apps, you can easily tap into this market and earn money from your phone. Lastly, there's an AI app called Phone Sites, which allows you to build landing pages, websites, apps, and software directly from your phone, even if you have no previous coding or technical skills. Phone Sites provides templates specifically designed for mobile users, enabling you to create websites or apps that you can sell as a service or as digital content on platforms like Flippa or Empire Flippers. Additionally, you can offer your services on Fiverr or other freelancing platforms. The convenience and accessibility of Phone Sites make it a valuable tool for generating income online. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.